Number 1.
Why did the class move to a different room?
We couldn't get into our regular classroom. Someone lost the key to it.
What does the man mean? Number 1.
Nah, di sini why the class move to a different room. We call the into or regular classroom. So Mayone lost the key to it. What does the man mean? Yaitu membahas pindahan ruang kelas. Nah, yang A itu ada they were in the regular room, they was misplaced. Has taking a different class. He has the key to the classroom. Nah, di sini di kamar biasa yaitu yang B kuncinya hilang, yang D itu mengambil kelas yang berbeda, yang D dia memiliki kunci kelas. Nah, untuk makna yang sama yaitu ada di B. Jawaban B.
Number 2.
Do you have the book that you borrowed from Jim? I need to use it.
No, sorry, I don't. I already returned it to Jim.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
Nah, do you have the book that you borrowed with Jim? I need to ask it. No, sorry, I don't. I really returned it to Jim. What does the woman mean? Nah, di sini ada apakah Anda memiliki buku pinjaman dari Jim? Yaitu no. Aku sudah mengembalikan bukunya ke Jim. Nah, di sini ada A yaitu she will lend it to the man. She never lend the box to Jim. Jim want to borrow the box. Yang di Jim has the box. Yaitu jawabannya yang ada makna yang sama yaitu ada di D. Yang artinya Jim memiliki buku itu.
Number 3.
Are you still writing checks?
I've written the checks for rent and electricity, but I still have a few more to take care of.
What is the man most likely doing? Number 3.
Nah, di sini are you still writing checks? I have written the checks for rent and electric, but I still have a few more to take care of. What is the man most likely doing? Nah, di sini yaitu yang membahas apakah masih menulis cek. Nah, sudah menulis cek untuk sewa dan listrik. Tapi masih ada harus yang diurus. Ya, itu yang A, paying bills, yang B, talking to the landlord, yang C, turning the league off, yang D, looking for an apartment. Nah, yang makna yang sama yaitu ada di A, paying bills, itu membayar tagihan.
Number 4.
Should we leave for class now?
But it's not time for class yet.
What does the woman mean?
Nah, shall we leave for class now? But it's not time for class yet. What does the woman mean? Nah, di sini haruskah bisa berangkat ke kelas sekarang? Nah, ini belum waktunya masuk kelas. Nah, yang A, she has not time to go to class. They are already later for class. It's too early to go to class. She has to be on time for class. Nah, yang jawaban yang A yaitu dia gak punya waktu untuk pergi ke kelas. Yang B, mereka sudah terlambat ke kelas. Yang C, masih terlalu pagi untuk pergi ke kelas. Yang D, dia harus tepat waktu ke kelas. Nah, di sini jawaban yang sama, makna yang sama yaitu ada di C, it's too early to go to class.
Number 5.
Is the physiology class as difficult as I've heard?
It's not terribly difficult, but it is time-consuming.
What does the man mean?
It's the psychology at different as I have here. It's not difficult, but it is time consuming. What does the man mean? Nah, yang artinya yaitu apakah psikologi sesulit yang didengar, yaitu gak sesulit itu, tapi memang memakan waktu. Nah, yang A, he is resuming his dates on more time. He is assuming the class is difficult. Yang C, the class is terribly all the time. Yang D, the class takes a lot of time. Nah, di sini yang A itu dia melanjutkan tugasnya sekali lagi. Yang D dia berasumsi yang di kelasnya itu sulit. Yang C untuk di kelasnya selalu buruk. Yang D tersebut memakan banyak waktu di kelas. Yang jawabannya yaitu makna yang sama ya ada di jawaban D, yaitu the class takes a lot of time.
Number 6.
These dorm rooms could certainly use a new coat of paint.
I'll say,
What does the woman mean?
Does the room certainly as a new coat of paint? I'll say, what does the woman?
Number 7.
Are you ready to work on the history paper?
I will be in a couple of minutes. I have to finish the math problems before I start on history.
What does the man mean?
Nah, yang A, he need to complete the match assignment first. He'll be ready in a couple of hours. Hey, he's going to history class now. He was a few minutes ago. Yang A itu artinya yaitu dia harus menyelesaikan tugas matematika. Yang B, dia akan siap dalam beberapa jam. Yang C, dia akan ke kelas sejarah sekarang. Yang D, dia sudah siap beberapa menit yang lalu. Nah, di sini yang hindari kata yang sama yaitu ada di A.
Number 8.
Do you know where the file folders are?
Sorry, I don't. They were moved, and now I don't know where they are.
What does the woman imply about the folders?
Do you know where the folders are? Sorry, I don't. They were moved. And no, I don't know where they are. What does the woman imply about the folder? Nah, yang A, sorry, she moved them. She know where they are. They haven't been moved. So Elsie moved them. Yang artinya yaitu dia menyesal telah memindahkannya. Yang B, dia benar-benar di mana mereka. Yang C, itu mereka belum dipindahkan. Yang D, yang memindahkannya yaitu orang lain. Nah, di sini yang di jawabannya Semem Elsie moved them.
Number 9.
We seem to have a difficult problem to solve.
The problem is not unrepairable.
What does the man mean?
We seem to have a difficult to solve. The problem is not unrepairable. What does the man mean? Di sini tampaknya kita memiliki masalah yang sulit untuk dipecahkan. Nah, untuk masalahnya bukannya nggak dapat diperbaiki. Nah, di sini yang A solution is not apparent. Yang B, the problem can be fixed. Yang D, there is really a yang D, the problem is difficult to solve. Ya, di sini yang A itu artinya yaitu nggak ada solusi yang terlihat. Yang B, masalahnya bisa diperbaiki. Yang C, sebenarnya ada sepasang masalah. Yang D, masalahnya sulit dipecahkan. Nah, untuk yang ke-9 yaitu yaitu ngambil yang strategi ke-8, yaitu jawabannya yang D. Yang B. Yang B.
Number 10.
I hope we don't have a quiz today. I'm not really very prepared on the material for today.
I don't think we will. This professor rarely, if ever, gives quizzes.
What does the man mean?
Nah, di sini yang A, the professor gives quizzes regularly. The woman is really quite irritated. It is unusual for this professor to give quizzes. And always think they're to die. Yaitu yang A, yaitu memberikan kuis secara teratur. Yang B, wanita bersungguh-sungguh cukup siap. Yang D, lazim bagi profesor untuk memberikan kuis. Yang D, itu dia pikir gak ada kelas hari ini. Yang jawabannya yaitu makna yang sama, yaitu ada di C.
Number 11.
Have you looked at the chemistry problem yet?
Yes, and the problem was impossible to comprehend.
What does the woman mean?
Nah, nomor 11 itu have you looked at the chemistry? Yeah. Yes, and the problem where is impossible to comprehend. What does the woman mean? Yang A, she call not comprehend the complex tour. Yang B, she has not had time to look at the assignment. Yang C, it was possible for her to complete the problem. Yang D, she could not understand the problem. Nah, di sini yang A itu dia nggak bisa memahami pada kuliah kimia. Yang B, dia belum sempat melihat tugasnya. Yang D, dia dapat menyelesaikan soal tersebut. Yang D, dia nggak bisa memahami masalahnya. Nah, di sini hindari makna yang sama, yaitu ada di B.
Number 12.
Do you know if we have to pay a fee to see the exhibit at the museum?
Not as far as I know.
What does the man mean?
Do you know if we have to pay a fee to see the exhibit at the museum? Not as far as I know. What does the man mean? Di sini apakah Anda tahu jika harus membayar biaya perkuliahan? Yang tahu saya enggak? Yang A. He does know how far away the exhibit is. Has a thing about the fee. The exhibit is not far away. Has the exhibit is free. Nah, di sini yang A itu dia gak tahu seberapa jauh. Yang D dia gak yakin tentang biayanya. Yang C gak terlalu jauh. Yang D itu dia yakin itu gak gratis. Nah, di sini yang hindari makna yang sama, yaitu ada di jawabannya di B.
Number 13.
I can't take the biology course I wanted to take this semester. It's at the same time as the chemistry course I have to take.
Why not wait to take the biology course next semester?
What does the man suggest about the biology course? Number 13.
Nah, I can take the biology course I wanted to take this semester. It's at the same theme as the chemistry course I have to take. Why not? What? To take the biology course next semester? What does the mom suggest about the biology course? Di sini yang mengambil mata kuliah biologi yang ingin ambil semester ini. Nah, mengapa nggak menunggu untuk mengambil mata kuliah biologi semester depan? Nah, yang A, not taking it at all, taking it along with chemistry, taking it later, taking it instead of chemistry. Nah, di sini yang A itu gak meminumnya sama sekali, yang B mengonsumsinya bersamaan dengan kimia, yang C mengambilnya nanti, yang D mengonsumsi sebagai penggantinya. Nah, di sini yang jawabannya yaitu ada di C, taking it later.
Number 14.
Where are you going now?
I'm heading to a talk by Dr. Barton. There's going to be a solar eclipse later this month. Dr. Barton's giving a talk on what to expect during the eclipse.
Who is Dr. Barton most likely to be? Number
Where you are going now? I am heading to talk by Dr. Barton. There's going to be a solar eclipse later this month. Dr. Barton giving a talk on what to expect during the eclipse. Who is Dr. Barton most likely to be? Yang A, yaitu kau mau pergi kemana? Yang itu aku akan ke Dr. Barton, yaitu akan ada gerhana matahari akhir. Ya, yang A, an astronomer, A, physician, A, philosopher and engineering. Nah, di sini yang yaitu yang A. Jawabannya yang A.
Number 15.
Were you expecting such a nice gift?
It couldn't have surprised me more.
What does the woman mean?
Were you expecting such a nice gift? I could have surprised me more. What does the woman mean? Apakah Anda mengharap hadiah yang begitu bagus? Gak lebih berkejut lagi, gak bisa lebih berkejut lagi. Nah, di sini yang A yaitu nothing could surprise her. Yang B, the gift astonished her. Yang C, she could have gotten more gifts. Yang D, she was expecting the gift. Nah, yang A itu nggak ada yang mengejutkannya. Yang B, untuk hadiahnya itu sungguh-sungguh membuatnya tercengang. Yang C, dia nggak bisa mendapatkan lebih banyak hadiah. Yang D itu dia sedang menantikan hadiah itu. Nah, di sini makna yang sama yaitu ada di jawaban di B. Next.
Number 16.
Have you been studying for long?
For hours, and I'm all worn out.
What does the woman mean? Number 16.
Have you been studying for long? For hours, and I am all worked out. What does the woman mean? Nah, di sini yang A itu says. Nah, di sini yang hindari yang makna yang sama yaitu ada di C.
Number 17.
Do you think that Tom's the one who should be selected for the team?
Oh, he's head and shoulders above the rest.
What does the man say about Tom?
Do you think that Tom's the one would be selected for the team? Oh, he's head and shoulder about the rest. What does the man say about Tom? Nah, di sini apakah Tom seorang yang harus dipilih untuk tim? Oh, dia di atas yang lain. Dia jauh di atas yang lain. Nah, untuk yang A, he's really tall. Yang B, he's the best. Yang C, he's got a good head on his shoulders. Yang D, he always has his head. Nah, di sini dia sangat tinggi, yaitu dia yang terbaik, yaitu dia yang cerdas, yaitu dia menggunakan kepalanya. Nah, untuk makna yang sama, yaitu ada di B, jawaban di B, yaitu he's the best.
Number 18.
Do you understand what we're supposed to do for tomorrow?
Not really. The professor barely talked about the assignment.
What does the man mean?
Do you understand what we're supposed to do for tomorrow? No. The professor barely talked about the assignment. What does the man mean? Nah, di sini yaitu yang harus dilakukan untuk besok. Nah, di sini enggak berbicara tentang tugas. Nah, yang itu he's already talked to the professor about the assignment. There is no assignment for tomorrow. Has not sure what the professor will talk about. The professor discussed the assignment only briefly. Nah, di sini makna yang hindari yang sama, yaitu ada di D, jawaban D, yaitu
Number 19.
Did you go to the party last night?
If I had known about it, I would have.
What does the man say about the party?
Did you go the party last night? If I had known about it, I would have. What does the man say? The party itu 19 itu apakah Anda akan pergi ke pesta malam, yaitu yang I have the know, yaitu jika itu akan saya datang, yang itu he went to it, yang dia he know about it, yang si I did know about it, yang di he gave it. Nah, di sini dia pergi ke sana, yang B dia tahu tentang itu, yang D yaitu yang C dia enggak tahu tentang itu, yang D dia memberikannya. Nah, di sini mengambil strategi Yang ke-15 yaitu yang C jawabannya, yaitu he did know about it.
Number 20.
Do you know what time it is?
I just heard the clock strike noon.
What does the woman mean? Number
Do you know what time it is? I just heard the clock strike noon. What does the woman mean? Nah, di sini yang 20, apakah Anda jam sekarang? Nah, yang ini yaitu jam menunjukkan jam 12 siang. Nah, yang A itu it's hard to lock the room. The was delivered on time. Someone struck the curry and broke it. It is now midday. Nah, di sini yaitu yang makna yang sama, yaitu ada di D. It is now midday.
Number 21.
I'll be staying at the beach with my family during spring break.
So you did decide to take the trip after all.
What did the man believe about the woman?
I wish I the beach with my during spring beach. So you did decide to take the after all. What did the man deliver about the woman? Yang itu akan tinggal di pantai bersama, liburan semi. Nah, di sini Anda memutuskan untuk melakukan perjalanan itu. Nah, yang A, that she will take the trip. Yang B, that she will go to the beach. Yang C, that she likes the beach. Yang D, that she will take a break from her studios. Nah, yang A itu bahwa dia nggak akan melakukan perjalanan itu. Nah, yang B, dia akan pergi ke pantai. Nah, yang C, dia sangat menyukai pantai. Yang D itu dia akan beristirahat dari studinya. Nah, di sini hindari makna yang sama, yaitu ada di jawaban di A.
Number 22.
Did your nieces and nephews like the gifts you got for them?
They couldn't have been more excited when they saw what I got them.
What does the man say about his nieces and nephews?
Did your niece and nephews like the gift you got for them? They can have been more excited when they saw what I got them. What do the man say about his niece and nephews? Nah, di sini yang itu apakah keponakan-keponakan Anda menyukai hadiah yang akan diberikan untuk mereka? Nah, sangat senang melihat hadiahnya yang saya akan berikan. Nah, yang up, they were disappointed. They did get any gift. They were unexcited. They were really pleased. Nah, di sini jawabannya yaitu ada di A. They were disappointed. They were disappointed.
Number 23.
Are you worried about having to give such a long speech in front of such a large audience?
I think I can pull it off.
What does the woman mean?
Are you worried about having to give such a long speech in of such a large audience? I think I can pull it off. What does the woman mean? Nah, apakah Anda akan khawatir dengan panjang di hadapan hadirin yang banyak? Yaitu saya pikir bisa melakukannya. Yaitu yang A. She believes she can succeed. She's decided to fall out of it. She wants to fall out the speech as well. She thinks the speech is too long. Nah, di sini itu dia yakin bisa berhasil. Nah, dia sudah memutuskannya untuk menarik diri. Nah, dia ingin memutuskan untuk sementara waktu pidatonya. Nah, yang dia pikir terlalu panjang pidatonya. Nah, untuk jawabannya yaitu yang A. Nah, di sini ada nomor 24. Nah, di sini
Number 24.
langsung saja ke nomor 25. 25.
Number 25.
Were the bills paid on time this month?
I wish they had been.
What does the man Number 25.
Were the bells on time this month? I was the headwind. What does the man inflict? Nah, di sini apakah Anda dibayar tepat waktu bulan ini pada tagihan? Yaitu ya. Nah, di sini yang A, he does have time to pay the bills. The bills were on time. Of course, the bills on time. He will pay the bills for the last year. Nah, yang A itu dia nggak punya waktu untuk membayar pada tagihan. Yang B, dia tepat waktu tapi tagihan nggak dibayar. Yang C, tentukan saja dia membayar tagihan tepat waktu. Yang D, dia akan membayar pada tagihan untuk terakhirnya. Nah, di sini jawaban makna yang sama, yaitu ngambil dari strategi yang ke-14, yaitu jawabannya yang B.
Number 26.
The lecture on the realities of entrepreneurship in the 21st century was really fascinating, wasn't it?
I'm not sure if it was or not. I didn't understand a word.
What does the man mean?
The lecture on the realities of entrepreneurship in the 21st century was really fascinating, wasn't it? I am not sure if it was or not. I did understand I was. What does the man mean? Nah, di sini lupa mengirimkan aplikasi beasiswa tepat waktu. Nah, Anda benar-benar ketinggalan kapal. Nah, di sini ada yaitu realitis kewirausahaan di abad ke-21. Ini benar-benar menarik, bukan? Nah, I am gak yakin apakah itu benar atau enggak. Gak mengerti sepatah kata pun. Sini yang A, had things the lecture was really interesting. As not sure if the ideas are workable. Understood nothing about the lecture. Has not sure what the woman would like to know. Nah, sini dia pikir ceramahnya sangat menarik. Itu dia nggak yakin untuk dilaksanakannya. Dia tidak mengerti apapun tentang ceramah itu. Yang dia gak yakin apa yang ingin diketahui wanita itu. Nah, untuk jawabannya yaitu ada makna yang sama, yaitu ada di C.
Number 27.
I forgot to send the scholarship application in on time.
You really missed the boat.
What does the woman say to the man?
Nah, I forgot to send the scholarship application in on time. You really missed the boat. What does the woman say to the man? Nah, di sini itu lupa mengirimkan aplikasi beasiswa tepat waktu. Benar-benar ketinggalan kapal. Nah, yang A, he missed an opportunity. He was late for his trip. He should take the next boat. He should send in his application. Nah, dia kehilangan kesempatan, yaitu dia terlambat untuk perjalanannya. Itu dia harus naik pada perahu berikutnya, itu dia harus mengirimkan lamarannya. Nah, untuk makna yang sama, yaitu jawabannya yang A.
Number 28.
I don't think you heard what I said.
It wasn't that I didn't hear what you said. It was that I didn't agree with it.
What does the man mean? Number 28.
I don't think you have.
Number 29.
John will pick us up at 7:30 for the concert. That should give us plenty of time to get there.
So John is going after all.
What had the woman expected?
John will pick us up at 07.30 for the concert. That shall give us plenty of time to get there. So John is going after all. What had the woman expected? Nah, di sini John akan menjemputnya di pukul 7:30, yaitu untuk konser. Itu membuatnya memberikan banyak waktu untuk sampai di sana. Nah, John akan pergi. Jadi John akan pergi. Nah, untuk yang A, that John walk fit then after the concert. That the concert will start earlier. That John will not be going to the concert. That they will be late to the concert. Nah, untuk yang A, yaitu bahwa John akan menjemput mereka untuk konser. Nah, di sini akan dimulai lebih awal konser. Konser akan dimulai lebih awal. Nah, yang si John gak akan pergi ke konser itu. Yang di bahwa akan terlambat ke konser. Mereka akan terlambat ke konser. Nah, untuk jawabannya yaitu ada di C, yaitu not be going to. Makna yang sama.
Number 30.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Not really. If the water hadn't been so rough and the boat hadn't rolled around so much, I would have enjoyed it more.
What does the man mean? Number 30.
Did you enjoy the trip? Not really. The weather had been so right, and the boat had around so much. I would have enjoyed it more. What does the man mean? Nah, di sini apakah Anda menikmati perjalanannya? Oh, enggak. Ini terlalu deras. Dan perahunya akan berguling-guling atau lebih menikmatinya, yaitu yang A. He enjoyed the trip immensely. The boat trip was really long. He could have enjoyed the trip more. The weather was not very rugged. Nah, yang A itu dia sangat menikmati perjalanannya. Yang B, perjalanannya itu sungguh sulit pada perahu. Yang C, dia nggak bisa lebih menikmati perjalanan itu. Yang C, untuk airnya tidak terlalu derasnya. Di sini jawaban yang ngambil dari strategi ke-17 yaitu yang B.
Listen to a conversation about a college course.
Hi, Mike. I've been trying to get in touch with you. I wanted to ask you about the Introduction to Sociology course you took last semester with Professor Patterson.
Why did you want to know about that course?
Well, Professor Patterson is teaching it again next semester, and I think I might take it.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Why not? Was it a terrible course?
All the professor did was lecture day after day after day. He's a good enough lecturer, but I prefer courses where the students can participate more. I found it quite boring.
That course doesn't sound so bad to me. In fact, I like that kind of course. You can listen to the professor's ideas and not feel any pressure to come up with something to say.
Well, then maybe this course is for you.
Number 31. Who is taking part in this conversation?
Itu untuk 31 yaitu jawabannya yang A, to student.
Number 32. Why does the woman want to talk with Mike?
Itu jawabannya yang C. She wants to know about others.
Number 33. What kind of course does the man prefer?
Itu yang jawabannya yang D. A course where the student takes part in discussion.
Number 34. How does the woman feel about Professor Patterson's course?
Yang yaitu jawabannya yang C. It sounds good.
Questions 35 through 38. Listen to a conversation about a new solar energy plant.
I was reading in last night's paper that the utility company wants to build a solar energy plant in the desert, not far from here.
Do you think that's a good idea?
A good idea? It's a great idea. Solar energy is the energy of the future. It's clean, it's safe, and it's abundant. What could be better?
Won't the utility company just raise our rates to pay for this new plant?
Well, the newspaper said that the utility company would need extra money to get the plant going, but in the long run, rates would be lower. And to have a constant supply of energy, that's a small price to pay.
I'm not convinced that the price will be small.
Number 35. How did the man learn about the new solar energy plant?
Jawabannya itu B. From the next.
Number 36. Where will the solar energy plant be constructed?
Jawabannya itu ada B. Close by. B.
Number 37. According to the man, what is a benefit of solar energy?
Jawabannya itu D. It exists in large quantities.
Number 38. How does the woman feel about the proposed solar energy plant?
Jawabannya ada A. She's concerned is will be too still.
Questions 35. Now we will begin Part C with the first talk. Questions 39 through 42. Listen to a man talking to a group of students.
Hello, I'm John Rogers, the manager of the student bookstore. All of you have been selected to work part-time in the bookstore while you are completing your university studies. One of the first things I need to do is prepare a work schedule, and I need 2 pieces of information from each of you in order to make up the schedule. First of all, I need to know the hours you are free to work. Each of you will be assigned 20 hours of work per week, and those hours could be any time that the bookstore is open, on weekdays, in the evenings, or on weekends. I would like each of you to write down for me the hours when you have classes so that I will know when you are free to work. The second piece of information that I need is your job preference. Most of the jobs that are available are working as a cashier or stocking shelves with books. There are also a few positions working in the business office. Please write down which jobs you would prefer. I cannot promise that everyone will get the first choice when I make the schedule, but I will do what I can.
Number 39. Who is John Rogers?
Jawabannya C. The bookstore manager.
Number 40. What does John Rogers need to do now?
Jawabannya A. Prepare a schedule. Schedule.
Number 41. What does John Rogers need to know?
Jawabannya B. When the students are able to work.
Number 42. Which is not mentioned as a possible job open to the students?
Jawabannya di phone operator.
Now we will begin. Questions 43 through 46. Listen to a talk given by a woman.
Did you know that those large plastic soda bottles that are so common today can actually get recycled into soft, warm, cuddly jackets and blankets with the feel of fleece? These bottles have generally been dumped into landfill rather than recycled, but now that's beginning to change. In this recycling process, the bottles are gathered at a plant, cleaned, and then crushed into tiny chips. The chips are melted and then shaped into long threads. These threads are spun into yarn and knit into cloth. It can then be dyed and made into fabric. The outcome of this process is a soft and warm cloth that can be made into items of clothing or blankets. It seems rather incredible that plastic soda bottles can be turned into something so soft and warm. I think that all of you should look for some of these products in stores and purchase them. They are great products, and they are great for the environment at the same time.
Number 43. What is the topic of the talk?
Jawabannya D. Recycling soda bottles.
Number 44. In the past, what commonly happened to the soda bottles?
Jawabannya A. They were left in landfill areas.
Number 45. What can be made out of the soda bottles?
Jawabannya B. Workshop clothing.
Number 46. What does the speaker recommend?
Jawabannya C. Buying this resolute product.
Questions 43 through questions 47 through 50. Listen to a talk on the first transcontinental railroad.
The importance to the United States of the first transcontinental railroad cannot be overrated. This railroad had a profound effect on many aspects of American life, on communication, on transportation of agricultural products and livestock to market, and the settlement of the West, to name a few. But it was no easy feat to build such a railroad. The first transcontinental railroad was undertaken in 1862 by two competing railroad companies. The Union Pacific started in Omaha, Nebraska, and moved westward. The Central Pacific began in Sacramento, California, and moved eastward. Of the two, the Central Pacific had the more difficult task because it was faced with traversing the Sierra Nevadas. To lay tracks across these mountains, workers had to carve out footpaths on steep mountain faces and then use dynamite to blast out access for the railroad tracks. After years of dangerous and exhausting labor, the workers from the Central Pacific met up with the workers from the Union Pacific near Ogden, Utah on May 10, 1869. In an exuberant ceremony, the last of the tracks was nailed to the ground with a golden spike. The completion of the railroad marked the beginning of a new era in transportation.
Number 47. Who built the first
Jawabannya
transcontinental
D.
railroad?
To separate railroad companies.
Number 48. What was difficult about the job the Central Pacific workers had to complete?
They had to lay track across a mountain range.
Number 49. How long did it take to complete the first transcontinental railroad?
Years.
Number 50. What happened at the ceremony marking the
Jawabannya
completion
adalah
of the railroad?
The Walls, Trivial de Sierra Nevadas. Thank you.